Hello and welcome. My name is Alan, and today we are doing more of the judicial branch of the United States. This time we are going over a new Chief Justice and the court he ruled over in the Supreme Court. So let's go ahead and take a look at the court. With the death of Solomon P. Chase, uh, we see a new judge take his place uh, just under a year later. He is the last appointed judge of Ulysses S. Grant, and his name is Morrison Waite. He would serve for 14 years and 19 days. From March the 4th, 1874 to March the 23rd, 1888. Like Chase, he was from Ohio, and he was unanimously uh, chosen or voted in as Chief Justice. Something I doubt we'd see nowadays, a unanimous vote. But, yeah. Next, we have two justices put on the court under Rutherford B. Hayes. The first is takes his place on the court on December the 10th of 1877, and he replaces Davis, who is David Davis. So yeah, John Marshall Harlan replaces David Davis and will remain on the court for 33 years and 308 days, almost a full 34 years. But it'll be December the 10th of 1877 until October the 14th, 1911. So, and he is from Kentucky, but yeah, John Marshall Harlan. And the other one appointed by Rutherford B. Hayes is William Burnham Woods, who is from Georgia. He would be on the court for 6 years and 129 days, from January the 5th, 1881 to May the 14th, 1887. And he replaced William Strong. So yeah, William Burnham Woods. Now, the next one is the only judge appointed to the Supreme Court by James A. Garfield, and that is Stanley Matthews, who is from Ohio. He was on the court for 7 years and 309 days, from May the 17th, 1881 to March the 22nd, 1889. And he replaced Swain, who was actually, his full name was Noah Haynes Swain. So yeah. Now, The next one is the first of two Supreme Court justices appointed by Chester A. Arthur. His name is Horace Gray, and he is from Massachusetts. And he was on the court for 20 years and 249 days. From January the 9th of 1882 to September the 15th of 1902. And Gray replaces Clifford, who was fully known as, whose full name was Nathan Clifford. So yeah, Horace Gray. And then we have Samuel Blatchford, who is from New York. And he was on the court for 11 years and 95 days from April the 3rd, 1882 to July the 7th, 1893. And he replaced Hunt, who was Ward Hunt. And then we have the first judge appointed under Grover Cleveland, who was Lucius Quintus Cincinnatus Lamar. He was on the court for 5 years and 5 days, from January the 18th, 1888 to January the 23rd, 1893. And he replaced Woods, whose full name was, well, if I can find him here. Oh, William Burnham Woods. So somebody who was appointed underweight, and then his replacement was appointed underweight. But yeah, these are the members of the Waite Court. And we will see a lot with this. The Chase Court was kind of small, but Waite was on the bench for just over 14 years, compared to Chase's, I think, 8 years. Yeah, so. Oh, yeah, and I forgot to mention Lucius Quintus Cincinnatus Lamar was from Mississippi. But yeah, we're seeing all these justices will die while on the bench. So they will remain on the bench for the rest of their life. But yeah, we are also seeing now the start of the 20th century, the 1900s. So we will start seeing some judges who reach into the age of the 1900s. Especially those who remain on the court for a while, like Horace Gray, who stays on until 1902, and John Marshall Harlan, who stays on until 1911. So yeah. But this is the Morrison Waite Court. In the next episode, we will talk about the cases that were a part of the Waite court, and look how he affected uh, the Supreme Court and the U.S. in general. But that'll be the end of this episode. As always, educate thyself, think, read, study, learn. Someone tries to tell you something you have trouble believing, ask them to cite their sources. Speaking of, I will be citing sources in the description below this video. See you all in the next one. Until then, later.